China, 1984. The Central Military Commission had just greenlit a bold mission: build a brand new next-generation fighter jet. The task landed at the Chengdu Aircraft Design Institute, with chief designer Song Wencong leading the charge. It was a proud moment, until reality set in. There was no money. China in the 80s was a nation grappling with poverty and undergoing a profound societal transition. The priority was clear: grow the economy. Everything else got shoved to the back burner. Defense budgets were slashed, forcing the military industries to get creative just to survive. And creative they got. Radar factories started making electric fans. Nuclear plants, surprisingly, found the market selling ice cream. Even Chengdu Aircraft was not spared. To make ends meet, they turned to manufacturing washing machines. This kind of environment hit Song and his team hard. Many had to run small side businesses after hours just to scrape by. Care for some roast duck? Check out those beautiful canards, like the ones on my jet. Whatever. And just when things couldn't get tougher, they did. The Soviet Union was as broke as China. In fact, they were desperate enough to sell China their crown jewel, the Su-27 fighter jet. Great news for the Chinese Air Force, but less great for Song's project. Suddenly, people were asking tough questions. Hey, if we can buy this awesome Soviet jet, why bother building our own? It's probably better than anything we could make. Would you stop sending your kid to school just because the neighbor's kid got into Harvard? Maybe. That could have been the end. But then, China's president at the time, Jiang Zemin, stepped in. Jiang was an engineer by training and had a soft spot for technology. When he heard about a domestic fighter project, he had to see it for himself. And once he did, he gave his verdict. This jet? It's gold. We must keep it going. Core technologies can't be bought. They must be built. With his support, things finally started moving much more smoothly. By 1998, the first prototype was ready for its maiden flight. As Song walked his baby to the runway, an atmosphere of tense anticipation filled the air. Every eye was on the jet. Every breath held. Then, it soared. The J-10 was born, China's first indigenously developed modern fighter jet. Just as importantly, its success saved the Chengdu Aircraft Design Institute. In the years that followed, the institute continued to refine the design, rolling out more advanced variants, like the J-10B, J-10C, J-10 Pro, and even the fabulous J-10 Ultra.